y'all. No, hold up. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below for me. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified each time I post a video. So we're going to get right into the video. We are going to be doing a winter clothing haul. I got a few pieces. Just because it don't really get cold here until like January, February, and by the time, you know, kind of March, it's still cold, but spring will be rolling around. So I just got a few more pieces for the winter. So if you want to see this haul, then continue to watch. Alright y'all, so first I have on this top from SHEIN. This is their turtleneck. Let me get y'all some info. This is the SHEIN's turtleneck rib knit sweater, and I got this in a large. It is fitting tight. I do have a tank top on underneath the sweater, and it just stops right here below my belly. It fits tight, but I like the way that it fits. I wanted something to fit a little bit snug to go with like my high-waisted jeans and stuff like that. I could have went up to an extra large and I feel like it still would have worked, but I got a large in this, and it is currently on sale for like 10 bucks. So yeah, this is the first top. I got a bunch of turtlenecks, literally, like I got like 4 more turtlenecks. So yeah, this is what this looks like, and I love the color. I wanted brown. Like, I already have brown in my closet, but like I wanted a brown turtleneck. I don't have a brown turtleneck, so yeah. All right, so next I got this blue turtleneck as well. I think this might be the same style, because I got a bunch of them that were like kind of like the same style. This is the solid turtleneck rib knit sweater. I think it's the same style, kinda, yeah. But this is also in a large. I don't know, I just, now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, why did I get a large? Why I just didn't get an extra large? Child, I don't know, but I wanted something blue because I rarely buy blue, and then it's winter, so I kind of wanted something to go into the winter theme, and this will look good with some black pants, some cute denim, girl, some cute boots. So yeah, I got this. This is super soft. Like the other sweater was soft as well, but I'll give you a little spinner. Alright y'all, so this is the next turtleneck. I only got 3. I thought I got 4, but I got 3, and I got this in the cream shade. This is the same style, the turtleneck rib knit sweater. This one has like, it's somewhere on my shoulder, one side, I can't see it right now, but it does have like a few threads that are like kind of like pulled out, but the material is very soft, and it just feels like your standard turtleneck sweater. I got this in cream. I don't know, I wanted another one because I already have like a cream turtleneck sweater, so I don't even know why I got this one, but you know, you can never have too much of anything. So I got this one. This one kind of feels a little bit bigger to me, but it's a large. It feels a little bit bigger than the other two, I don't know, but it's definitely a large. So I'll show you what the back looks like. Like, it seems longer too. It's weird, but yeah. On to the next one. Alright you guys, so I got 1 pair of pants. I got these let me look. I got these solid leather high-waisted pants. You know, they're not really leather. I got these in an extra large, and they fit so good. I am happy because I've been wanting a pair of pants like this. And they are skinny at the ankle, so I do like that, and they come here again, they are high-waisted, so you know we like that, and they're looking good with this cream. So yeah, you could tuck that in if you need to or whatever. And I'm so happy that they fit because y'all know me in their pants, you know, it just You either get a win or you get a loss. So I am very happy that these fit. It looks so good. Oh girl, do a little photo with this one. Alright you guys, so next I have this thick cardigan in the color black. This is their rib knit drop shoulder dual pocket cardigan, and I got a black cardigan because my other two do not have pockets, and they are more so for like the fall. They're very thin, so I wanted something a little bit more oversized, something with some weight on it, and of course something with some pockets, and we love it. So yeah, I definitely had to get me a cardigan, and this will work great for work, child. And it is very thick. Did I say it was thick? It's very like a thick, heavy material, so it will keep you warm when you don't want to wear like a jacket or anything. So yeah, this definitely works. So y'all, the next thing I got were 2 jackets, and I got it in black, and I got the other one in like this tan color, but it is the, make sure these are the same, yeah, the lapel collar double breast coat. I got both of them in extra large, and y'all, I didn't tell you about the cardigan was a large as well. I got these in an extra large because I wanted to wear them more than once, and the girls bless up top, and I feel like I'm gonna keep growing up top, so I got an extra large so it would fit nicely on me. But the arms are like big or whatever, but it doesn't matter to me. But I got this one in black, and it is super long. It comes past my knees. I am 5 feet, so it literally like, I mean, oh, this turtleneck looks so good. And yes, okay, so yeah, child, knock stuff down. I like that it's long. I like that it's kind of oversized because again, I wanted to wear this another year. You can definitely button it. You can add a scarf, some things, and some cute boots. Girl, this is a look. But yeah, I got this one in black. The material, it feels like your standard coat, but I feel like I had a coat like this before. It was a bit more heavier quality wise. But this should keep you warm. Like, I feel like this will keep me warm, especially like if I wear layers and things like that. So yeah, this is coat number 1. Alright y'all, so this is the next one. Again, they fit the same, both are extra large. This one is just in like the tan color. It don't have the color on here. Let's see. It does not have the color right here, what I'm looking at, but it is on SHEIN. It's the double-breasted coat. But y'all, I love this color. Like, I just love this with this cream and it's black. Yeah, and it does have pockets. I didn't realize that too. Now, it does have pockets. It is the same length as the other one, y'all. Like, it literally swallowed me. But I like the way this looks. So look, okay, this stuff came right on time. Right on time because we are going to Tennessee for the weekend. Yeah. Alright you guys, so switching gears, I also went to Walmart and got a couple of things for my weekend. I want to share you guys with my haul because Walmart be having some things, child. So I got this coat. Let's see, where the little thingy go? It is white, and then you're probably like, girl, white. Yes, girl, white. I needed that. I saw that, I was like, ooh, I need that. I want that. But let's get into this coat. Okay, so it has a hood. Y'all, I'm gonna get y'all name. Lord, everything will be in the description box, but I ain't gonna get y'all name. What is all of this in the inside? I don't know. I'm scared. What's in the inside? Y'all. No. Hold up. I don't even know if I wanted to even assess what's in the inside. Moving forward, It's Walmart. That's what I'm gonna say. Anyways, let's get back to the coat. So it does have a hood on it. You can take it off. It has a zipper where you can detach the hood if you like. It has 2 pockets on the outside. I'm show you guys the inside. It also has pockets. Got quite a few pockets on the inside, which I love that because I like putting like my wallets and stuff. Like when I don't want to carry it back, I like putting stuff in my pockets. So let's try this on. Yo, I'm not even gonna assess that. I got this in a 1X. I think I got this. This is a 1X because they only had a large, and the large was too small for my body. But get into this coat. Somebody's at my door. Get into this freaking. This is so cute, y'all. This coat was like 20 bucks. It was on sale. I think it was like 30 something, and then it was on sale for $20. Get into the coat with these pants. Get into it. I love it. I had to have it out. I went back just to get the coat. They also had it in like this teal color and purple, but not my thing. But yeah, I love this. Alright, y'all, so I also got some like a little hats and glove accessories that I want to share with you guys, also from Walmart, and these were like, yeah, $2.47 each. You get 2 pair of gloves. So I got this duo. It has black and then it has the gray gloves because I have a gray beanie that can go with that, and I got another pair because I wanted the cream to go with my cream hat, and it comes with another pair of black, which I'll probably give to my mom. But yeah, so I try to like match everything up together. I got this freaking, somebody's in my house. Oh, it's my cousin. So I got red because I have some red gloves, and I got the cream to go with the cream gloves as well. So I have one more thing to show you guys, and then that's going to be the end of this haul. Alright guys, so the last thing I'm going to be showing you are these cute little boots, and I got these from Macy's. These were on sale for $20, and as you know, maybe you don't know, I became a Macy's brand ambassador, so I will be putting this on my shopping page if you want to purchase these, you guys. But I got some plain boots because my other ones are too small now, so I try to keep like staple items in my kits in my clothing little, what do you call it, closet. But yeah, I got these from Macy's, and y'all, they fit so good. They are so comfortable in the inside. You know, I already tried them on, and I got these in an 8.5. I went up a size because, you know, socks and things like that. But they have like the cushion on the inside, and they feel really good. They are just so cute. But yeah, y'all, like, this completes my haul. If you have not subscribed to my channel by now, subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting on? And make sure you hit the notification bell to see my next upload. As always, I appreciate the love and support, you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video.